Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to turn yourself into a cartoon on Canva. It's a really easy process and it's quite fun. So let's get into it. So you're starting from scratch. You don't have a design. You don't have a canvas. How can you turn yourself into a cartoon? The first step would be to head over to the create icon at the top. Click on create here. And we're going to be creating our custom size. We're going to be making this for a phone. Let's say you want to use the picture as a wallpaper. All you need to do is just simply search or type in the provided space, type up phone. So go ahead and type in phone and then select the phone wallpaper. As you can see, the size is 1080 by 1920, which is a phone's dimension. So once you click on it, it's going to open this untitled design with your phone. And as usual, automatically Canva is going to open up some templates you could make use of. We're not here for these templates, but what we're here for is for your uploads. So head over from design to upload, click on upload here, and then select an image of yourself. So let's go with this random image I have. So you could just open this or resize this to fit what you want. Let's go with this. Let's just put it here. And now all you need to do is make sure this image is highlighted. From here, scroll to you click on apps. And then on the apps menu, simply search for cartoon. So simply search for cartoon and you're going to find Cartoonify. We're going to be going with Cartoonify. This is what we need. Click on Cartoonify. Make sure this is still highlighted. Click on open. All you need to do is make sure the image is selected, scroll, and then simply click on Cartoonify. But you can only use it once and it refreshes per day. So you can only do this once a day, but you could give it custom instructions like turning your eye colors into big eyes or making yourself look adorable or anything like that. You could give it a custom prompt and it's going to work with it. But I'm just going to be going blankly with the Cartoonify option. That's the straight option to just turn your image into a cartoon. All right, and this is what it actually produces. It's not too bad. Click on replace image and it's gonna replace your current image with this, and this is what it actually looks like. You could use this slider to zoom into your image and get a better look of it. So this is what it looks like to the um from the original to the cartooned version. So this is it. You could find it looking like this. Now, if this doesn't work for you, you could try another option. We still have this image. Now, same process, just head over to the app section, click on app. And now instead of Cartoonify, replace it with anime. Type in anime and you will see Animify. Click on this and then click on Animify and then transform your photos into stunning anime arts. All right, make sure this is still selected. Click on open and it's gonna load in a bit. So once it loads in, all you need to do is simply scroll. You could upload a selected image. You could remove this if you don't want to use this again, you could remove it and upload another image. But we have the classic mode. So if you want more variety, this mode adds extra creative touch to your results. And then this preserves the original composition of the image. So this is the same process. You can only use it once a day. So just go ahead and click on animify your image and it's going to create an anime version of this image. And this is what you get out of this design. It's quite amazing. This actually really looks good. As you can see, the nature is untouched while the subject is turned into an anime character. So you could simply add this to your design. You could replace the image with something else. You could replace this image with this. Let's just go ahead and click on it and it's going to show up like this. Wow, this is actually quite amazing. All right, guys. So that's how you can turn yourself into a cartoon character. Those are the two options you have. There are more you could explore, but comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.